So we have with us Prajot today, who's an investment banker and a prep coach and a fitness enthusiast, like we can see, and with a little bit of stiffness in the shoulder, right?
Yeah.
And overall body alignment is what he's looking at, because what you have observed is that there are some changes pertaining to the shoulder and also the pelvic area, right?
Correct.
While you work out, or probably when you're doing some full range of motion workouts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this easy. Breathe out. Okay, good enough. Relax. Breathe out. Good. Comfortable.
Yeah.
Come.